Hello guys, this is Masai. Today I'm going to show you how to create or how to generate signed APK file on Android Studio. So after we done coding or designing our project, we are going to go to build, then we are going to select generate signed window or APK, then we are going to choose here APK, then click next. Then here we can create our key. So I click the create button, then here the destination folder or path is here. So we are going to select where we gonna put the signed APK file. So I choose Android Studio project. Then here we are going to give the name of the key. So I give my key 1. Then I click OK. Then here we are going to give the master password for the key. So I give my password. So you can change this key as you want. So I'll leave it as it is. Here also you can give the key, the specific key password. We can give the password different from the previous one. So I'll give this another password. Sorry. So we can give the validity for the key. So you can specify the validity of that key as we want. The minimum is 25 years. So we can give, then we are going to give our name. If you have organization or company name, you can give here. I leave as MS. Okay. Then city, then province, then country code, then click OK. So now we're already finished or done creating the key. Just click the next button. Then here we are going to choose whether it is debug or release. So if we finish our project, we are going to select the release button, the release option. Then we have to select this jar signature and full APK signature. Then we are going to click finish. Then here, as you see, Gradle will start running. Then the generate signed APK file will be in this location. So we can find our APK file here. Thank you for the watching.